There's a ranger back there, so you're probably gonna hear him excavate some stuff with his excavator. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Let's start this day. If you're new here, my name is Stefan and I live in this van that I self-converted, and I go places and I take you guys with me. Today I am at a campground. Even though I wanted to go somewhere further this week, I didn't, because half of the week is supposed to be raining and I don't want to be driving somewhere 2 hours, 2 hours and a half just to sit in the rain. But today it's sunny. Oh, we're already getting off to a good start. Alright, so I have a project coming up pretty soon and I'm missing one thing, so I need to see if I have it in these boxes or I need to buy it before I start the project. However, one of these boxes, one of the locks is not budging, so I'm gonna try it again today. I tried it in the past and we'll give it another shot. So that was a total fail. It just won't budge, so I might have to cut it. I don't have any cutters, snap it off, but I may be able to drill through it. We'll see. All right, so a few YouTube video searches and I was able to snap it off with my tools that I have in my trusty toolbox. Yeah, it was kind of rusted. I know you guys are gonna say, why don't you buy the weatherproof locks? And that's because they don't make that size. Ooh, it got windy. Because I looked a lot and they don't make the size, the slot that actually can fit between the rings of the latch of the box. So I had to get just regular locks that fit. With that, I should probably try to replace them at least once a year, or at least go and throw some WD-40 in them every once in a while. I use various of these tools to be able to pry it off. I bent the rings a bit, but this is the lock right here. As you can see, it's actually broken off. I honestly thought I was gonna have to drill through the lock. I didn't feel like doing all of that work. But the snapping off kind of a thing, especially if you have an old lock, it worked really quickly. I did it in like a minute or two. I didn't film it because I didn't think it was gonna work. Now let's see what I got in this box. This is what I was looking for. All right. It is past 1 o'clock, which means I definitely need to make some lunch and eat something. And today, it's going to be delicious brunch, breakfast, whatever you want to call it, tacos. Let us begin. All right, tacos are looking great. I put some of those dry, spicy Mexican peppers, and those are super spicy, so I might start crying. But they look fantastic. Ooh. Mmm. Just the flavors on this is like chef's kiss. It's fantastic. Love it. And you guys know how much I love to make tacos, and it's for a reason, because there's a lot of flavor, especially with that chipotle bitching sauce. Fantastic. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Normally, I would start working on my laptop right now, but knowing that the next couple of days it's gonna be raining, then I'm just gonna enjoy this, listen to nature. It's weird, but I love it. Thanks for coming along on today's short video, but this is truly a day in the life, minus me working on a laptop. That's kind of boring to show you anyway, but this is it. This is a day in the life in my van life. See you guys next time.